Well, an evening of fireworks from the sky, lightning and thunder day today. Lightning is a powerful electrical discharge. When it overcomes the insulating power of the air and bursts forth in the form of lightning, probably one thing most people would be not aware of is nearly 20% of the lightning that we see actually is moving from earth to sky. And the associated sound, which we call as thunder, it's amazing what is the difference in how we perceive light and sound, that it comes much later, quite a few seconds away. So, this is a phenomenon showing the power, how the entire atmosphere and in turn the whole cosmos is a massive charge of energy, electrical or otherwise. But above all, it is a phenomena that can fascinate you. If you watch for the whole night, still it fascinates you. The kind of shapes and forms and diagrams that it draws in the sky is absolutely fascinating and fantastic.